Today, we're going to show you how to send a satellite test message through your inReach devices. It's always best to test satellite messaging on your inReach device before you head out on your next adventure. Your inReach account includes 5 free test messages every month. You will need to be outside with a clear view of the sky for satellite reception for messaging on your inReach device. A test successful message will be received on the device when complete. We will now show you this process on an inReach Mini 2. With your device turned on, press the OK button, then press the up arrow button 3 times. Select IR Service Plan. Now select Test Service. Finally, select Yes to begin the test. Your device will begin sending a test message. Once you have received the Test Successful message, you are ready to send and receive messages on your device. Now that we have reviewed how to send a test message directly from an inReach device, we will show you how to send a test message with the device paired to the Garmin Messenger app. First, make sure your mobile device is in airplane mode with cell and Wi-Fi turned off. This will allow for message testing with satellites. In the Garmin Messenger app, select the message icon. Then select the pencil icon to create a message. In the To field, enter Test inReach at Garmin.com. Next, enter a simple message. Select the send icon. Your message will be sent. When you receive a confirmation reply, you are ready to send and receive messages from the Garmin Messenger app when your inReach device is paired. You can now send test messages from your inReach device. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.